Yo, what's up, hustlers? It's your boy S back at it again with A's Wealth Builders. Ready to crush it in 2025? Let's make it our best year yet. Today, we're diving into the top 8 businesses you need to dominate in the coming year. Let's get started. First up, AI-powered business solutions. These solutions are revolutionizing how companies operate, making processes more efficient and effective. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's real, it's here, and it's changing the game. AI is becoming an integral part of modern business strategies. Businesses everywhere need AI solutions for customer service, data analysis, you name it. The demand for AI-driven tools is skyrocketing. If you can provide that through AI, you are positioned to win big. The potential for growth and success is enormous. Think about what problems keep businesses up at night and how AI can solve those problems. AI can offer innovative solutions to complex challenges. Get creative, hustle hard, and watch the money roll in. The future of business is AI, and the opportunities are limitless. Next up, the health and wellness industry. People are more conscious than ever about their health. Fitness coaching, nutrition planning, mental wellness programs, these are lifestyles. If you can tap into this market and provide real value, you're looking at a goldmine. Be authentic. If you're passionate about health and wellness, it'll show. Provide real solutions and watch your impact and your income grow. The internet has changed the game, revolutionizing the way we do business. E-commerce isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's only getting bigger. Every day more people are shopping online, driving unprecedented growth. Whether you're selling niche products or offering innovative services, the online marketplace is your oyster. The opportunities are endless and the reach is global. Find your niche, build a brand, and connect with your audience. Social media and digital marketing are your best allies in this journey. The beauty of e-commerce is the scalability. You can start with a small investment and expand as your business grows. You can start small and grow at your own pace. The flexibility allows you to adapt and evolve. If you're willing to put in the work, the potential is limitless. Your e-commerce empire awaits, ready to be built. Digital marketing agencies are killing it right now. Every business needs help navigating the digital world. SEO, content marketing, social media. If you can master these skills, you're holding all the cards. Businesses are desperate for results and willing to pay top dollar for someone who can deliver. Stay ahead of the curve. The digital landscape is constantly changing. If you're up for the challenge, the rewards are astronomical. Let's talk about the green energy sector. Sustainability is the future and everyone knows it. Businesses are scrambling to go green and they need your help. Solar panel installations, green consulting, renewable energy solutions, the demand is through the roof. This is about more than just making money, it's about aligning your values with your business. Do good and do well at the same time. Education is power, and online education platforms are making it more accessible than ever. With just a few clicks, anyone can access a wealth of knowledge from the comfort of their own home. This revolution in learning is breaking down barriers and opening up opportunities for people all around the globe. Forget stuffy classrooms and outdated textbooks. The future of learning is online. Interactive and engaging digital environments are replacing traditional methods, making education more dynamic and personalized. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or just passionate about sharing your knowledge, creating online courses or tutorials can be incredibly lucrative. The demand for specialized knowledge is growing, and people are eager to learn from those who have real-world experience. People are hungry for information and willing to pay for convenience and expertise. Online education platforms provide a seamless way to connect learners with instructors, making the exchange of knowledge both efficient and profitable. You can create a course once and sell it to thousands of students. This scalability means that your initial effort can continue to generate income long after the course is created. This is the future of education, and the potential is limitless. With advancements in technology, the ways we can teach and learn are constantly evolving, offering endless possibilities for both educators and students. People treat their pets like their children, and they're willing to spend accordingly. The pet care industry is booming, and there's no sign of it slowing down. Pet grooming, boarding, specialized pet products, the possibilities are endless. Turn your love of animals into a thriving business. Most people are clueless when it comes to managing their money. Personal finance consulting is a high-demand field with massive income potential. People are desperate for guidance on investing, retirement planning, and building wealth. Provide that guidance and empower them to take control of their finances. If you've got what it takes, the rewards are substantial. There you have it, folks. 8 killer business ideas to make 2025 your best year yet. But here's the thing, ideas are worthless without action. Pick one, get off your butt, and make it happen. Hit that like button, subscribe to As Wealth Builders, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you at the top.